Hi, and thanks for joining us. Today we're here to talk about concrete screws. Concrete screws allow for a quick installation process as no plug is required. Simply drill a hole, blow out any debris, and then fasten. Designed to replace our standard masonry fixings, our multi-fix concrete screws can be used for fixing into concrete, brick, blockwork, stone, and timber. Concrete screws have a T30 Torx drive recess, which reduces the risk of the bit slipping during installation. There are locking ribs on the head, which helps stop the head from turning or rotating after installation. The serrations on the thread help the screw tap its own thread into the material. The high-low thread on the point helps increase the speed of insertion. Concrete screws, compared to traditional screws and plugs, are significantly stronger and can withstand higher loads. Fully adjustable and reusable in most cases, the common use of concrete screws is during the installation of window and door frames. All of our concrete screws are 7.5mm in diameter, meaning the drill size required is 6mm. It's always best to drill a slightly deeper hole than the fixing length required to allow for any build-up or dust and debris at the end. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.